Hello everyone, today we'll learn how to play Super Mario Bros. Theme song. I'll also show you how to play the coin collection sound. For reference, here's middle C. We'll be playing the song in the key of C, although there will be quite a number of flats. Here's the preview of the first part. We'll start with the right hand. On the right, we'll play E, 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 C, E, G, and then G, one octave lower. Again with timing. Now with the left hand. We'll start with D, A, and C, all played together. We'll play this 3 times. Next, we'll play G and B together. And then G, one octave lower. Again with timing. Now with both hands together. We'll call this part 1. This is the preview of part 2. On the right hand, we have C, G, E, A, B, B flat, A, G, C, E, F, D, E, C, A, B, G. We'll play that again. On the left hand, we have G, E, C, F, G, G flat, F, E, G, C, D, B, C, A, F, G, and G one octave lower. Again. Now together with both hands. Now let's try that again, this time faster. We'll call this section Part 2. Here's the preview of Part 3. On the right hand, we'll start with E and G played together. Next, we'll play D and F played together. Next, we have C and E played together. Next, we'll play B and E flat played together. And then we'll play C and E played together using the 3rd and 5th finger. Let's try that section again, as it's a little bit tricky. One more time with timing. Next, we'll play G, A, C, A, C, D. Next, we'll play the tricky part again. Followed by the C chord, which is E, G, C, played together for 3 times. Let's play that section again. Next, we'll play the tricky part again. Next, we'll play the A flat major chord, which is A flat, C, and E flat. Then we'll play the B flat major chord with F, B flat, and D. Finally, we'll end with the C major chord with E, G, and C. Let's play the entire part 3 for the right hand. Now for the left hand, we have C, G, C, F, C, C, G, C, F, G, C, G, C, F, and then we have A flat, B flat, C, G, G, C, 1 octave lower. We'll try the left hand one more time. And now, with both hands together. Next, we have the preview of part 4. On the right hand, we have A flat and C played together. We'll play this 4 times, followed by D, E, C, A, G. Next, we'll play A flat and C together 4 times again, followed by D and E. Then we'll play that first section of part 4 again. On the left hand, we have A flat, E flat, A flat, then C, G, and C. A flat, E flat, A flat again, C, C, G, C. Let's try the left hand part again. And now with both hands together for part 4. we just play the first part which we have learned in the beginning of this lesson. Now here's the preview of what it sounds like when we lose a life. On the right hand we have G, F, 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 E, D, C. On the left hand we have G, 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 A, B, C, G, C. Now with both hands together, here's the full playthrough. Now to play the coin collection sound, just repeat B and E really fast.